Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Wellness Wednesdays. I'm Dr. Threadgold from Halo, and this week we're going to be talking about the workplace. Now then, one of the biggest mistakes that lots of companies used to make is waiting until somebody gets injured at work and at that point doing something about it. It's all the rage at this moment in time. In fact, I would say it's probably trending, to use modern parlance, for employers to be more proactive in this now and realising that preventative health is a better way of doing things to stop people having issues and therefore stop them having sick days and needing surgery or whatever it may be, because fundamentally that costs money. So preventative health is becoming all the rage at this moment in time, and as a GP I've been practicing preventative health for the best part of 15 years. You see, most people think that going to the doctor is about sorting your tonsillitis out or your chest infection, but the vast majority of what a GP does, about 90% of it, is actually preventative, so preventing heart attacks, preventing strokes, preventing high blood pressure, sorting your cholesterol out, all stuff that prevents things further down the line. And then when you link that into things that other doctors like myself have done, such as getting a qualification in occupational medicine, that then allows you to work in the workplace and advise companies on whether or not that's the right thing to do in that situation, or there's too much exposure to noise or chromium or vibration or whatever it may be. Following on from that, you can then advise and treat and either prevent things going wrong in the first place or get people into places like Halo for a little bit of targeted physiotherapy here, a little bit of strength work there, maybe a little bit of balance work there, all stuff that prevents something that could make somebody out of action for 6 months back to work in a week or two. And obviously that then has significant consequences for the employee, because they feel better, they're back at work, back socialising with a purpose, etc., etc., and also reduce costs in the long run for the employer. So by planning in advance and putting measures in place before stuff goes wrong, you are able to improve the health of your workforce. Anyway, if any of this is of interest to you and you are looking to have a plan in place for your employees, or you've got an employee that has got a bit of a difficult situation, maybe a niggle that needs sorting out or some repetitive strain injury or something like that, and you want some help with that, get in touch with us at Halo and we will be sure that you can rely on us to get this situation sorted for you. All for now. See you next time on Wellness Wednesdays.
Call the one you know, Halo Physio.